Welcome! In front of me I have Polar Grid X and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this watch. First we need to press the back button to open the menu on our watch. Once you open the menu, you can use the up and down buttons right here to scroll through the menu or the touch screen. So scroll through the menu, find the settings option, and then you can tap on it to enter or press the middle button. Once you enter the settings, scroll down, find the option called watch face and select it. Apparently we need to press the button. Okay. Once you select the watch face option, you will have two options. You can select digital and analog, basically the type of the watch face we want to use. I'm gonna select analog, then press the button, and here we have couple styles. We have classic, art deco, lollipop, and pearl. Select the style you want, and then press the button, and then we can select the color theme. For example, orange, and then press the button, and now we can go back to the watch face, and here we have it. That's how it looks like. You can also not swipe, you can press the down and up button right on the watch face to scroll through different widgets, I would call them, or basically watch faces with different information. Let's go back to the menu and quickly change it to something else. For example, something digital. So let's select the digital one. Small seconds, for example, orange, and go back to watch face, and that's how it looks like. Okay, so that's how you change the watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.